Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. One of the early signs Kia sent about going upmarket was in 2011 with the GT idea. Notwithstanding, it was only after 2017 that the resulting creation adaptation showed up as the Stinger. The energetic Grand Sightseer was commended by columnists, yet deals never paired the publicity encompassing the vehicle. As of late, there have been a lot of tales about its death. Another report from Auto Times asserts the end is near for the BMW 4 Series Grand Car rival. The South Korean distribution says Kia will cease the Stinger in April 2023 because of frail interest. Through September, just 1,499 units were sold in South Korea, accordingly making it the slowest-selling Kia in its homegrown market. An immediate substitution is evidently not arranged. However, fashioner Karim Habib said last year the EV6 GT serves a comparative job in the setup. In spite of unfortunate deals, Kia has not overlooked the Stinger. It gave the swoopy liftback a mid-cycle update that brought a power knock in the US a year ago. The Stinger lost its base 2.0-liter motor for a 2.5-liter factory evaluated at 300 horsepower or 45 horsepower more than its ancestor. Moreover, the Reach finishing off GT with its twin Super 3.3-liter V6 was rubbed to convey 368 horsepower. It kept both back and all-wheel drive designs, connected only to an 8-speed programmed transmission. The nip and tuck came with minor cosmetic changes to the body and wheels, along with a larger 4.2-inch driver display and a 10.25-inch touchscreen for infotainment. For the US market, Kia introduced a special edition Stinger Scorpion with black accent styling, faux carbon fiber interior trim, and a choice of black or red Nappa leather upholstery. What comes after Stinger? Well, the same report published by Auto Times claims that the hot electric sedan will arrive in 2025, although nothing is official yet.